Create nuanced branding for every marketing channel. Tone and voice represent an essential part when it comes to branding your business. As you grow your business, your small business branding must grow as well.
Aha!
This means that you must create a guideline for each marketing channel. Create guidelines for all social media channels where you participate, every piece of content you write, every email you write, and every video you shoot. An excellent example of this is the tone you use on Instagram compared on the tone you use on LinkedIn, for example. On Instagram, it should be more casual.
Yes!
For example, for videos, you can have a specific tone of voice and speed as you say things.
Aha!
In this small aspect, your brand should be reflected.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.